Everyone, this is Chris Rushton at 24K on Twitter. Today we'll be unboxing the Slim Folio Pro for iPad Pro 11-inch. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. I'm also 24K on Instagram. We'll give you some details here at the bottom. You can pause the video at any time to check this information out. Alright, now we'll get to the unboxing. We like how they make these boxes easily accessible and just slide it right out. So they have these for the different versions of the new iPad Pro and regular iPad as well. This is more of the Pro Slim Folio. They have different versions for the different sizes. So that's not confusing at all. But anyway, this is magnetically closable right there. So we like that. So it won't just fly open when you're trying to use it. And then when you attach it right here magnetically, it's got a very strong magnet. It automatically turns on and starts pairing the keyboard. Now the keys also have backlighting. So when you're working in the evening, you'll have no problem seeing what you're typing on. We like how the keys feel. They have nice travel. They're not membrane style. They actually have a nice click to them. It's more like a regular keyboard, so that's nice. And for the people that want to take photos with their iPad, they have a nice cutout here. And this is for the iPad Pro 11-inch, and you can get this now from Logitech.